LED lighting manufacturer, the big key for us was to make, to be able to print lenses of near production quality so that we could show to our customers the sort of lighting that we were going to make for them. We do a lot of custom lighting as a company. We offer it as a service to our customers. When they have a special need, they'll say, I need this sort of light, can you make it? And we'll do the design work. In the past, we would do the design work all in virtual reality, basically a 3D computer model. And we'd go straight to tooling from that model after the customer approved it simply from drawings. Now we're actually putting a functioning, working product in our customers' hands, and the excitement it's generated so far most certainly makes the machine a very cost-effective solution for us, because the strength of that sales tool is difficult to underestimate. But the ProJet 6000 HD, we needed the HD machine because it has the highest resolution print that is offered by 3DS, and it's pretty much the highest resolution we could find on the market in an SLA. We've had an excellent experience with the ProJet. It's easy to operate, it's easy to clean the parts, it's easy to, post-processing is very easy, that's what I mean by that. It turned out to be, it's a sophisticated machine, but it turned out to be much simpler to operate than we had expected. When we were trying to choose which machine or what sort of machine we needed, we looked around the market and we ran some prints off of some older technologies. We ran some prints off of different types of 3D printing technologies. We work with Scarlett quite a bit on different machines. And hands down, this particular machine made parts that were orders of magnitude better than anything else that we could get on the market. And so, once we'd seen some prints of working parts that were literally jaw-droppingly good, we said, we knew that this was something that we were going to have to do. So from our perspective, that's when the decision was made.
The goal of printing, it lets you see the finished product and know that all the dimensions are correct between all the parts that are going together. Oftentimes there's half a dozen parts that have to be fitted together and make sure that they snap or lock together well, and having the actual print really makes a difference. It affects so many different areas of the company that it was really a good buy. It's made a big difference. It's crazy how detailed the parts are. You can set it in different resolution levels. So if you just want a rough print, you can have it go through really quick. And once you've pretty much tweaked the design to where you want it, you can set it at a much higher resolution and get a really nice finished product right off the machine. It seemed like a lot of money at the time, but boy, I tell you, it's really paid off very quickly.
The installation process was handled by 3DS. They came in, they did the install. It took them about a day and a half to align all the equipment, level everything, check everything out, make sure it was fully functional, and there was very little effort on our part. Working with Scarlett's been excellent for us. There's a lot of technical knowledge in the company because they've run the machines themselves, they have it in their shop, and it was part of the reason why we were able to, before we had our training, we were running the printer, because talking to yourself and other people, we were just able to turn the machine on basically and run parts through it. And for us, it's been a huge positive. I mean, having the ability to print these parts has improved our sales situation more than one time, and there's significant, amounts of business behind it. So the cost of the machine and all is more than paid for itself already, and we expect that to continue. The ability to work with snap features at a high resolution, the ability to work with different ways that you can assemble plastic in production. Because the machine is so high resolution, it gives you a much better understanding of what your final parts are going to be in your hand when you're in production. So we've been able to optimize designs, we've been able to improve poke-yokes, we've been able to do all kinds of things that we weren't able to do in virtual reality in a CAD system. extra parts for doing the production on Scarlett's been extremely helpful and reactive to our needs.